How to use Google Chatbot Bard AI. First, go to bard.google.com. Here I also opened ChatGPT so we can compare the two. And as you can see, they almost have the same design. They have a chat box under. Here, let's try to use Bard. I'm going to type in my question and let's see what Bard's answer will be. Here I tried asking Bard to give me some ideas for my next video content. And here is what the result says. Now let's try to ask the same thing to ChatGPT and let's compare the answers. If we read this properly, we can say that ChatGPT has more precise and accurate answer to my question. ChatGPT AI is still better than Bard, but Bard has another unique feature. If you click here, View Other Drafts, you will be able to see slightly different suggestions regarding your question. Another features that makes Bard unique is the microphone feature. You can see it here on the lower part of the screen beside the chat box. Overall, ChatGPT is still better, but this new Google Chatbot AI Bard is still usable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.